Hello all, welcome to Non-Stop Reboot. If this is your first time that you're watching video, please subscribe.
So let's get into the today's content. So today we will be seeing how to install Node.js and NPM. So please search for download Node.js.
Okay.
So we can see the first link, which is nodejs.org official link. So get into it. So here if we see there is two types of versions. One is like recommended version, which is stable version. Another is the current latest features. So most of the developers use the recommended latest version. So we'll go with the recommended version. So and we are using a Windows machine. So we'll click on Windows installer.
Okay, the download is complete now.
Okay, so please open that file. Just click on next. Accept the terms and conditions and click on next. So by default it will be stored in your C drive. So if you want to change the drive, so you can change the drive there. So or else you can click on next.
Okay, I'll be keeping the default location and I'll be clicking on next.
Yeah, next. Okay, click on next. So click on install. So if you guys see like Node.js and JavaScript frameworks are mostly used by the 60 to 70% of programmers across the world. So if you guys want to learn Node.js and JavaScript frameworks, so stay tuned with us. We'll be uploading a couple of videos related to Node.js and JavaScript frameworks in upcoming weeks. Setup has been installed successfully, so we'll click on finish. So currently we have installed the version 14.70. So to cross check whether the version is correctly installed or not, so open terminal, we'll check that. So type node-v. Yep.
Okay,
So
we got the version.
Yeah. To confirm whether NPM is also being correctly installed or not, because we will be using to install node packages using the npm command. So type npm-v.
Okay, NPM is also installed, so it's 6.14.10. If you people have come up with any of the issues while downloading or installing the Node.js and NPM, put your queries in comment section. We'll be replying those queries and clearing your doubts. So stay tuned.